AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about Australian dollar against US dollar. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video, you'll find some links. So you can check out these links. You can join the free Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then, and check out the prop firm and the brokers here. Sign up with these brokers if and when you are going to trade with my signals. So for my signals, have a separate account. Don't mix anything. I'll need the data from you in the future. So subscribe, like, check out the links, and come back. Coming back to the chart here, starting with this top-down approach for AUDUSD. Now you can use this analysis for NZDUSD as well, because I don't record separate videos for NZDUSD. So use the AUDUSD analysis for the NZDUSD pair as well if you trade. And then we have the weekly time frame is red, but still closing here above the EMA lines. So in weekly, we are in the uptrend. In daily, we did have a long red candle which has eaten the previous blue candle. So this could be the start of a new downtrend until the EMA, then we might bounce back. So in daily, if I come and check here, looks like last time we had a big red candle, we had another red candle. So maybe we will have another red candle on Monday, time will tell. But what is our entry? So for that, let's go back to 4 hour. What do we do in 4 hour here? So you have to be careful because we are in the uptrend in AUDUSD, but at the same time, dollar has been in the downtrend in since last 4 months. It has been exactly 4 months for the dollar to be in the downtrend, and in my experience, 4 months is the time when things starts going in the opposite direction. Okay, so I'm expecting now dollar to go up, which means AUD is supposed to come down, other pairs supposed to come down. Okay, but if you see the history, the recent past, in recent past it broke, the AUD broke below the EMA, then it bounced back, and then it continued the uptrend. Okay, so we have two possibilities. There's no rocket science, either buy or sell. So when to buy, when to sell. If this high is broken, so if you have any blue candles breaking this high on Monday or coming coming days in 4 hour, so if this high is broken, then wait for the pullback, then blue confirmation candle, then go long, continuation of the uptrend. But if this low is broken, then enter sell. Okay, so yes, we have to keep an eye and act as soon the market opens and reacts, because recently we have seen after breaking below the EMA, we still continued the uptrend. Okay, so look for longs after this high is broken. So let the blue candle break this high, then pull back near the EMA, then go long after blue candle, or else let this low break by the next red candle, and then you can enter low, you can enter sell or wait for the pullback and then go sell. Okay, so be alert. Same for NZDUSD. And if you like what you see, subscribe, like, share, join Telegram, and check out the brokers. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.